A super easy way to get more performance out of your computer is to go into graphics settings. To do this, we're going to open the start menu, click settings, go into system, go into, well actually it doesn't really matter, you can just search it. Go into graphics, settings. Once you click this, you're going to be in here and it will tell you all this. You're going to want to turn this on, and then you have all of these, or actually you probably won't have any of these if you're just turning it on. But what you can do is choose between a desktop app or a Microsoft Store app. If you do Microsoft Store app, you can select any of these apps, and let's say you select something like Spotify. You can add it, and since it's already added, it would be in here, it'll be added in here. And then what you can do is you can click on it, you can click options, and then you can choose what you want to do. You want it in high performance always to get the best performance out of it, or you can remove it if you don't want it in here. If you want to get like an app or something, you do desktop app, then you can browse, and then this opens up shortcuts, it opens up files, it goes into your file explorer, and you can just choose any program you want and just add it in here. For example, if we went to the Windows start menu and we wanted to get something, we can right click that and then we can click more, and usually it'll give us an option to open the file location. After we open the file location here, we can just copy this address, paste it in here, click enter, and it'll take us here. And if we click on this, we can see that it brings it in here, and then automatically everything is let Windows decide. We don't want that, so we're gonna move it to high performance. Boom, extra performance. So now it should run better because you will be maxing out the performance in Windows for the graphics settings, pushing all of the load, or most of the load, theoretically onto your graphics card. And you don't want it in let Windows decide, you want it in high performance. Probably will use more power, but oh well, you get more performance. This works for laptops and desktops. I'm currently on my desktop right now, but I also have this enabled on my Dell laptop. However, for the Dell laptop, I noticed that after turning these on and using these programs, it seemed to use a lot more power. So that's just one thing to keep in mind, to always have your charger not plugged in, but nearby.